Okay, the number 3 human rights assignment, you can find it in the Unit 1 Week 4 folder. And this one is a document that you open, and it has 6 questions on it. So the first one is about human rights. What do you think are the human rights, the basic human rights that everyone should have? Not just you, but everyone should have. This is just your opinion, so you do some typing here in this area, and you type as much as you want. 1 or 2 sentences, probably not going to cut it, but have an opinion about this. What are our basic human rights? Then I want you to watch this video. Then I want you to look at the infographic. So you scroll down, and here are some universal human rights. Don't look at that until you do number 1 first. That's because I don't want you to jade your opinion by watching the video or looking at the picture. I want you to go with your gut. Do number 1, then watch the video, then look at the infographic. And then number 4 says, now that you've watched the video and that you've looked at the infographic, do you need to change anything? Do you need to add anything? Anything you didn't think of? Anything you disagree with? What's your opinion now? So think of, look back up. What did you write for number 1? And then what changes do you need to make in number 4? Number 5 is, again, to look at this website. It's called the Human Rights website. And on the right side, you're going to pick a country and read the article that's attached. If there's a video, watch the video. And then number 6 says, what should we know about your chosen country and its human rights? How does it compare to your answers for number 1 and number 4? So while there are 6 questions on the paper, you're actually only typing in number 1, number 4, and number 6. The others are the sources that you need in order to do the questions. And again, 1 or 2 sentences is not going to cut it. I want you to be thoughtful, I want you to have opinions, and I want you to use your sources wisely. If you have any questions, let me know.